Meaning of electrical.
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 Electrical. The term electrical relates to anything that has to do with electricity. It refers to the properties and behavior of electric charges, circuits and devices that use or generate electricity. Electrical systems are involved in the production, transmission and consumption of electrical energy, such as power plants, motors, generators, transformers and wiring networks. The result of electrical systems is the production of electricity that powers a wide range of appliances, machines, vehicles, buildings and industrial processes. Electrical technology has revolutionized modern society by providing efficient, reliable, and versatile energy sources for various applications.